This November, get ready for the most revealing expose on ICT, the Inner Circle Trader. This week, we dive deep into Michael's lies from his conceited 2015 email. Michael claims to have traded 1,000 contracts and an astonishing 2,500 T-bond contracts simultaneously in the 90s, which would have required a seat on the exchange. To trade all those contracts simultaneously, Michael would have also needed approximately $30 million of margin, which he did not have in the 90s.
I have 5 kids. My children work menial jobs. Caleb right now brings home $400 a week at his job. Works in a warehouse, comes home sore,
Don't forget his part-time job processing some of the ICT mentorship payments. To the ICT Muppets struggling with basic math, Michael boasts of $10 million in trusts but cannot show a trading track record. Is this the mansion or estate Michael was referring to? Evidence proves it was his first home, acquired in 2013. His story doesn't make sense because he is lying. Investigators confirmed his sons actually live in trailers. When Vinny Mini exposed this, Michael had to fess up.
Father's son Cody, he lives across the street from his stepfather, and they have a trailer that he lives in.
You've got mail.
In 1993, I blew out a few accounts that year. That was my second year of trading.
How could anyone in the right mind believe him? It's been almost 9 years since this email, and Michael has failed to provide evidence to support any of the statements he made. We must doubt everything Michael says.
In 1993, that year, that was my second year of trading.
Without a single account or broker statement, tax return, third-party audit, or employment record to validate his claims. Such individuals pose a threat to society, exploiting new traders, wasting their time and money, ruining their lives. Grifters like Michael must be stopped. Join us for the full documentary revealing all the secrets of the con artist known as ICT, debuting November 11, 2023. Stay connected by subscribing for an exclusive sneak preview each week until November 11th. Don't miss next week's expose. Until then.